All right, Mochi, we're ready to clean.
Just say the word.
Start with the rug. Careful, don't scare him.
He seems curious, not scared.
He's playing with it.
No further. You shall not pass.
Oh my God, Mochi! He's a hero. He's actually doing it. You're doing a great job, Mochi.
Should I start cleaning this area now?
Coco, no! Bring that back! Did you see that? Come here, Coco.
He's a menace.
I can't believe it! Look at her go! She's actually cleaning. Good job, little Luna. We're so proud.
Almost done here. Thanks, team.
Meow.
Good job, everyone.